Hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the end of the trading week for the traditional markets, and let's look at what Bitcoin is doing. Currently we started seeing some weakness showing at the weekly R3. As you can see right here, price did tweak above it. Then we came back down and then we got that bearish retested from the R3, as you can see right here. And since then we are down around almost 3%, as you can see. So basically for today, basically for Friday, we are still above all of the EMAs, as you can see right here. And we are trading for right now below the daily open. I still am leaning on my idea of a retest from the Monday high before we get a continuation. Since, as you can see right here, basically the higher time frame like the daily still has more juice left in it, in my opinion. We still might reach the monthly R3, which is also the 200 EMA. As you can see right here, it is aligning perfectly with this level, but we are right now having some bearish divergences form right here on the daily time frame. You can see our RSI momentum is also getting overbought and the bearish divergence are pretty clear, as you can see. So it is possible that we get a pullback before we continue higher. The altcoins did took quite a beating. For example, Hype, you can see right here, it went down quite a lot. Solana also did went down quite a lot, around 5%. Hype went down like almost 9%. So you can see Sui also did not break out as I expected it to. Basically the altcoins were showing some weakness more than Bitcoin. It is right now back in Bitcoin season. You can see the dominance is pushing higher, and this is why most of these altcoins did not have that rally up that I was expecting. Ethereum, however, still showed some strength. Right now we are testing, you can see right here, we do have a bearish divergence, same thing as on Bitcoin. And we are testing this level, basically this high right here, this order block, as a support. Since, as you can see, previously it was tested as resistance, right now we are testing it as support. So basically a very, very key level for something like this. The stock market, as you can see, the Nasdaq is right now trading below the weekly open. The S&P 500, same thing, we are also below the weekly open. So very, very interesting to see. In my opinion, we are going to see potentially going into next week potentially a bigger sell-off in the stock market, since we are getting really, really overextended, as you can see on the weekly, and we are due for something like this basically, or maybe something bigger, who knows, but it is coming. In my opinion, soon we are going to see that correction happening for the stock market. We might even see it happening today, since it is Friday. We might see a Friday sell-off, or we might see this in the coming next weeks. Nobody knows, and I'm not trying to predict anything, as you know. I'm just giving my opinion what will happen on the stock market, since it is also affecting Bitcoin. Basically the whole time that Bitcoin was pumping, the stock market tried to stall it by having this sell-off. As you can see, we did drop down around 2.5%, and Bitcoin still managed to pump nicely, as you can see. And if we go on the macro chart, you can see on the daily, this POC right here did act as resistance. As I have told you, I did try to short right here, but we got stopped out. Basically price pumped around 97.5k, and I was not expecting, basically I was expecting another retest right here. If I have put my stop loss a bit higher, we could have caught this short still right now. But if we get another bearish retest, I might go in for it, as I said. However, if we start breaking above and getting this continuing trend basically to the upside, then the value area high, you can see right here, 108k beacons will become my next target, and I would not be looking for shorts until we reach this target. If we look at the open interest, we do have some nice open interest coming for Bitcoin. We do still have around like hour and a half before the New York exchange opens, so still not much volatility happening right now. And we do have that liquidity, which is sitting at around 90 to 89k. As you can see right here, we do have 74 millions, a lot of liquidation sitting on the downside. Fear and Greed Index is basically 50, completely neutral, as you can see right here. Spot ETF inflows, let's see for today, for yesterday, basically the whole week is bullish. As you can see, the past 4 days of the week, we only saw inflows. Basically, this is why price is pumping. As you can see, we do have some very large institutional volume coming in, as you can see, and we do have more for today, basically a bit more on the shorts. You can see we do have more shorts in the market overall on the major exchanges. Funding rates are positive right now, and we don't have any important news for crypto market today, since it is Friday. We do have on Wednesday, you can see Trump would be speaking, so this will bring some volatility. We do have some news on Thursday and the next Friday, so it's going to be very interesting rest of the month. And I think this covers it for today, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.